Entonces, language explorers, vamos a ver chores and cleaning. Cleaning, let's have a look. Cleaning. Ah, there we are. Very good. Cleaning. Very good. Yeah. So chores. So tareas e limpieza. So chores and cleaning. So to clean the windows. So para limpiar las ventanas. Window. There we are. Very good. And barrer el suelo. Barrer el suelo. So sweep. To sweep the floor. El suelo. Oops. Very good. Yeah, to sweep. Sweep. And to scrub the floor. Let's change that. To scrub the floor. To scrub. So fregar el suelo. Fregar el suelo. To scrub. Let's have a look. Like with a brush. Not quite. Let's have a look at a mop then. Okay, no. But then to mop the floor. Now mop. Not quite the same as scrub, but it's like with water. It's like this plus water. There we are. And water, yeah. Mopping the floor, el cielo. And to vacuum, so aspirar al alfombra. To vacuum the carpet, alfombra. So let's have a look. Vacuum. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I'm sure there was. Okay, yeah. To vacuum. Aspirar. And desempolvar. Desempolvar. To dust. Let's have a look. Dust. Dust. Oh, maybe not. Duster? Oh, okay. To dust. Desempolvar. And we have sacar la basura. So rubbish, the trash. Take out. There we are. Take out the trash or the rubbish. The rubbish. Limpiar. To clean up. Clean up. Limpiar. Very good. To clean up. To clean. Limpiar. To clean. Very good. And to go to the shops. Ir a las tiendas. Ir a los comercios. Ir a to go. Ir a go to. And shops. Tiendas. Very good. Tiendas. Shops. To go to the shops. And to clean the bathroom. Limpiar el baño. Limpiar el baño. Limpiar el baño. Perfect. Limpiar el baño. Muy bien. Limpiar. To clean. To clean. To clean. Clean. Limpiar la oficina. Or el oficina. Limpiar mi ropa. Clean my clothes. Poner la mesa. Poner la mesa. Knife and fork and platos. Tenedor, cuchara, cuchillo. Here we are. Set the table. Very good. Entonces limpiar. Limpiar la mesa. Limpiar. Oh, to clear. So despejar. Limpiar la mesa or despejar. Clear the table. And to do the dishes. Limpiar los platos. Or lavar los platos. Lavar. Lavar los platos. Lavar los platos. Plates need cleaning. Very good. Very good. Yeah. So chores and cleaning. To clean the window. To sweep the floor. To scrub the floor. To mop the floor with a mop. Oops. There we are. To mop the floor. Very good. To take out the trash. Sacar la basura. To clean up. Limpiar. To go to the shops. To go. Ir a. Shops. Tiendas. To clean the bathroom. Limpiar el baño. To set the table. Poner la mesa. To clear the table. Despejar la mesa. To do the dishes. Lavar los platos. So, puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook y Telegram. Y también puedes encontrarme en Udemy con más clases de inglés para ti. Yeah. Qué guay. Entonces, vamos a continuar explorando.